Why are you eating my bougainvillea flower? Grasshopper, what's happening? Bakit nyo kinakain ang Bombells flower ko? Waray na ka mo food? You don't have food already? That's why you're eating my Bombells flower? You're so many! You're destroying my plant. Gulay. So mga mamshis, I was wondering why there are flowers of my bougainvillea that is having this, and when I actually pay attention, I've seen so many grasshopper and they're looking at me like, man, are you videoing us? Okay, so we'll take a pause. Are you enjoying the attention you're getting, grasshopper? Because you guys don't move. I'm actually near at them, but they're not moving. So I guess they're friendly too. Hiya. What is happening, grasshopper? Why are you eating my bougainvillea flower? Okay, you're allowed to eat, but this area only, ha? Do not destroy every flower of my Bombells, okay? Wag ganun. I don't know. Uy. Kairo naman san ako, Bombells, oy. Maybe you're hungry. Maybe you also need to survive. So you cannot eat any other flowers. So okay, you can eat those. But please make sure titirahan nyo pa rin ako ng magandang flower, okay? Okay. Okay ba tayo, John? Si ganito ganito na yung itsura ng Bombells ko. Dito may ano din, may grasshopper din dito. Nandito yung grasshopper, actually nakaharap siya sa akin. Ayan Tapos dito talaga sila sa pinaka-top nagkumpulan, marami sila. Like this, you can check. Diyan No, I will not hurt you, grasshopper. It's okay. So, I don't know. Maybe they just need something to eat. Or wala talaga silang food. So, hindi ko na yan